On my chain to do one more song today, and I'm gonna do this Elvis Presley song. It's called "Can't Help Falling in Love with You." Sing along, duet, stitch. Go to TikTok, go to Facebook, like, share. Anyhow, I hope you like it.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, and darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes, and some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Last verse. For I can't help falling in love with you.
That's Elvis.